Good day, friends. This is one of my unusual videos. Gotten some interesting comments lately in my resonant energy of the earth videos, and this conversation starts to go towards personal harmonization of our resonant frequency and harnessing the natural resonant frequencies around us, maybe to ameliorate the deleterious effects of high frequency radiation that is all around us, especially with the 5G cell protocol at 60 gigahertz and potentially upwards that's going on now. Check out my recent videos on that. So to get to the subject at hand today, I've recently devised a personal energy harmonizer, so to speak. I can actually feel a little bit of this energy through this simple crystal copper configuration. Just in the few minutes I've had it around my neck before doing this video. I actually made it yesterday out of coax cable, repurposing anything laying around, and stranded that around a beautiful rose quartz that I initially wanted to, or I still probably will make into a pendant to hang on a leather cord at some point. But for now I thought, wouldn't it be cool to wrap the crystal in copper, highly conductive copper, as well as the crystals are as well. So my thinking is that the energy is coming through the copper, and now I've measured the copper's voltage, this loop connected to a good ground source, and comparing it to other multimeter readings, and I cannot register any current at all through this as far as voltage goes, but there may be different ways of measuring this sort of energy. If you could post comments about that, if you know empirically how to measure that sort of stuff with this. Anyhow, it's my first foray into this. If you're going to repurpose your coax cable with the fine strands, you'd be better off served, I think, with single strand wire, because these fine wires against my skin here, they're actually poking in through my shirt and pricking me, these sharp wires. So this is just a prototype, and I don't know where I'm going to be going from here on this subject in particular, but I think I'm at least going to be getting more into the crystal thing, and maybe learning how to wrap that somehow and wearing it on a leather cord throughout the spring and summer months, which are finally here. Enjoy your time outside, friends, as am I. Subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comment section. Namaste.